So y'all, I'm about to do a thing. This is my hair. Ugh, I'm really sick of hair. Don't know what to do, don't know what to do. So I want to do something. I want to do something different. I'm about to go do a thing.
Yeah, let's do it in slow motion. Yeah, I'm trying to enjoy this moment.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching the Meek Fro channel. I am Meek Fro. If you are new here, do subscribe to my channel. You will see the subscription button on my page. Do hit the notification bell. I don't know why I said subscription like that. That was ugly. But I just wanted to come to all of my subscribers. I did a thing, okay? I did a thing. I shaved. Well, I got my head shaved. I got my head shaved all the way around. That's crazy, right? That is crazy. That is beyond crazy. Y'all, my head feels so free and so cool. Whew. And y'all see I did leave the center of my hair here. Crazy, right? Crazy, crazy. So I actually got my hair cut by a barbershop. It was actually a predominantly white barbershop. And the reason I went there was because, y'all, honest to God, I did not want to go across the bridge from where I live. Just too much. It was going to be traffic. I didn't want to do it. So I was just like, what is the closest barbershop? And so I got on Google. I said closest barbershop to me, near me. That one came up in my area, and I saw that. I went through the reviews of the barbershop, and I saw that it was majority white people. And not that there's anything wrong with that, but it does play a part. You get what I'm saying? So I was nervous. I was just like, what could be hard about shaving the side of my head? What could be hard about shaving? Like, it's a barbershop. I know you gotta be able to do it. So it can't be hard. So that's why I was so comfortable with just going there. So, and I did see a couple African American reviews on, you know, the review page of their barbershop, and they said it was good. Like, it was like, oh, I'm shocked and surprised, you know, they were able to fade my hair. So I was just like, why not give it a try? I'm always the one to take the risk. I will take the risk. And yeah, so this is me here. All faded down, all shaved down. That's crazy. And then I got like just a simple design in my head. I got lines all the way around. Boom and boom. I really enjoyed Jerica. Jerica was the one, I think that's her name. She was the one who cut my hair. She talked me through the whole process. And, you know, just to be sure it was what I wanted, the thinness, if it was too thick or it was too thin, you know, we communicated well, like, throughout the whole process. Yeah, girl, if you're watching this, just do want to give you a shout out to Jerica. And yeah, I all in all love my haircut. It feels so free, and like, y'all, when the wind blows, oh my gosh. And so yeah, that's really gonna force me to kind of lose a little weight because my face is a little fat. I'm eating so much salt and just being a Louisianan. So since I've been back in Louisiana, back here living, y'all, child, I've been eating. And so, you know, all those years of dancing, 18 plus years, dancing kept me in shape, kept me slim without me even knowing it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, so what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Do y'all like it? I just got a bun up here as of now, something different. But I wanted hair, but I didn't want hair. So this is the you want hair, but you don't want hair look. My dreads, my faux locks, all of that will still be able to be installed because I have, you know, a good amount of hair up here. I will be wearing my little faux locks, and you know, you still could do a lot with this. So may even add some twists in the middle sometimes, and it's gonna be cool. Like, I think I'm going to enjoy it. But yeah, I was just sliding through. I got this done yesterday. I've shown a few people, and so far everybody likes it. Hey best friend, I'm looking rough, sorry. About to get in the shower. But I just wanted to show you how I did a thing. Oh snap. Best friends forever.
You 2% hoe. How dare you not tell me? I'm so excited. I'm into it. Yes. Work it.
And then my best friend, she's had her hair shaved on both sides for a while now. And so that's just been in my mind. So me and her are twinsies now. She's shaved on the sides. I am too. So can't wait to get together with her and like take some pictures or whatever. The Jerica who cut my hair at the predominantly white barber, she went ahead and told me that she's not really used to dealing with cutting curly hair. She was excited about it. She was like, I'm confident I could do it. I mean, because I could cut hair. I was like, okay. So I trusted her. So you guys, I'm actually headed to the mall. Your girl went shopping. Ain't supposed to. Oh, hold up. Let me see. Okay. Turn around. Okay. What size is that?
9.
Oh, you wear 9?
Huh?
You wear 9? Okay. What mine at?
Huh?
What mine at?
You don't know what? I gotta place the order in.
Whatever.
I gotta place the order in. You know that.
Yeah. So you already know where I went.
I already know what it is. You already know.
Let's see. Oh! Oh!
We already talked about this. What's up, hungry man? My bad. Yeah.
All right, what is the beard?
Damn. Hold on.
I gotta show them what I got. Show them what I got. She got it all wrapped up. More reviews. You see I'm talking? Give me a second. More reviews from my place, as y'all see, from Bath and Body Works. I wanted to get some candles, but that candle's high. Like, I'm sorry. And I got more of the rose watered ivy. And then I got some more of these. Y'all, this is a disgrace. Look at this. Look what kind of beard he done got me.
You said you were drunk. What you said?
Y'all already know what kind of beer I drink. What is this? No offense to Corona. Corona, if y'all want to sponsor me, I will not turn it down. But what is this? And then he gets a Budweiser.
We can trade drinks.
I don't even like Budweiser. I choose Michelob over everything. I will drink a Bud Light every now and then.
That old man.
When did Corona get canned beer? Y'all want to answer that? When did that happen? Tell me. I just finished eating. I had a bigger plate. It's called bigger plate at Pound Express. I had double mushroom chicken, 2 sides of mushroom chicken with a side of broccoli beef with the chow mein. And y'all, that food is gone. Yeah, and now I'm just sitting here drinking the Corona that I had from earlier. Y'all, look, Ezra left his sock. I need to open my fortune cookie. Oh, I don't see how y'all eat these things. Yeah, you are refreshingly level-headed, and others can relate to you. I think that's pretty cool. Oh, but my food was good, y'all. I'm just gonna sign out on this little small vlog. About to take a shower, get ready for bed, tie my hair up. I need a brush so I can get some waves going. Y'all like my little lantern? So cute. I'm just sitting here watching Don't Look Under the Bed. Do y'all remember this movie? This is a classic. A classic, quote unquote, scary movie. Disney Channel. Don't Look Under the Bed. Very old movie. I used to love this movie. But when I was little, this movie used to scare me. I'll get in my bed. I need to get my shower and stuff before Sean calls me. I cannot believe I did this. It feels so good though. I actually have a funny shaped hair. That is crazy. To me, I do. I mean, it's really not how I thought it would be. I thought I was gonna have like this block, but I look like my brother now. Like, that's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. I look like my brother. Bye-bye, you guys.